Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Spot Envision's WebVerse. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Spot Envision website. You'll need your username and password ready to log in securely. Once authenticated, look for a clear link or button, often labeled WebVerse or Launch Web Version, to access the online interface. This initial step ensures you're on the right track to begin using the platform's web capabilities. Now, let's set up your WebVerse. After logging in, take a moment to review your account settings. Ensure all necessary permissions for web access are enabled. You might also find options to personalize your experience, such as choosing a light or dark theme or adjusting the layout. If your workflow requires it, connect any external applications or services to streamline your tasks within the Spot Envision web environment. This step tailors the platform to your specific operational needs. With your WebVerse configured, it's time to explore its powerful features. Spend a few moments understanding the dashboard and how to navigate through different sections. You can easily access and manage all your project files directly from the browser, facilitating seamless collaboration with your team members. Leverage the real-time updates and integrated communication tools to keep everyone informed and ensure smooth, efficient teamwork across all your projects. This maximizes your productivity. To ensure the best possible experience with Spot Envision's WebVerse, here are a few tips. Periodically clear your web browser's cache to maintain smooth and responsive performance. For quick access, bookmark the direct link to your WebVerse login page. Should you encounter any questions or need advanced assistance, remember to consult the comprehensive official help documentation. These practices will help you get the most out of your Spot Envision web experience every single day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.